Hello everyone, welcome back to Mobile Tech Know-how. Today I'll be teaching you how to send large files on WhatsApp. Large files, no matter how large the file might be, I'll be teaching you how to share and send those files on WhatsApp. And you know, WhatsApp has a policy that says you cannot share or send an audio file or file more than 60 megabytes, which I will show you now. And let's come to WhatsApp. I want to share an audio file, so I want to search for large file best. Okay, this file is 190 megabytes. I'll click share. It says can send audio messages over 60 megabytes, so you can't actually send large files like this. So what I want to do is show you how to share large files on WhatsApp without any stress. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, and on a Google Drive, what you want to do is upload the file you want to send to your Google Drive. The file I want to send is an audio file, which is Best Blues Music. But I want to show you how you can upload this file to a Google Drive. Just click on the plus button and come to upload. The file in question I want to send is an audio file, which is audio. I search for it, best, and here it is, Best Blues. So I click on it. And it begins to upload. So I already have the file, so I wouldn't upload it again. It's already here on my home screen. So what I want to do now is I can easily copy the link of this file now and go to wherever WhatsApp contact I want to send it to. Just copy the link copy to Flipboard. So I'll come to my WhatsApp, and here it is. And here it is. I'll just paste the link and send, and the file has sent. The file is 180 megabytes or so. It has sent to the person I want to send it to. So I send it to myself, so I just have to come to where I sent it to and click on the link on it. Open with Drive, WPS, Chrome. I can open with Drive, and just once. Okay, any other account I want to open with, and here it is. The file is sent. 5 to 2 hours of music has been sent on WhatsApp. So it's as easy as that. You don't have to stress over it. First thing you have to do is upload the file to your Google Drive, then copy the link, then place on your WhatsApp and send. And it's as easy as that. That is all. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button, and please like this video so that I can always keep on posting awesome content like this. Thank you and have a very wonderful day.